Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox redeem cards. First, understand that these cards are your gateway to Robux or a premium subscription, enhancing your Roblox experience. You can easily find them at various retail stores or purchase them online from official vendors. Before you begin, always ensure the card's PIN area is unscratched and that the card is valid for redemption. This simple check prevents common issues before you even start the process. To redeem your card, open your web browser and navigate to the official Roblox redeem page. It's important to use a browser, as the Roblox app does not support direct gift card redemption. Once there, log in to your existing Roblox account or quickly create a new one if you don't have one yet. Then, locate the PIN on the back of your physical card or in your email for digital cards and enter it precisely into the provided text box. Once you have accurately entered the PIN, simply click the Redeem button. Your Robux or premium subscription will be instantly added to your account. You should see a confirmation message indicating the successful redemption. To verify, check your account balance, which should now reflect the newly added Robux or the activated premium membership. This quick check ensures everything processed correctly and you are ready to enjoy your new benefits. Encountering issues. First, double-check the PIN for any typos or incorrect characters, as this is a common mistake. If the card appears invalid or already redeemed, ensure no one else has used it. For persistent problems such as an illegible PIN or technical glitches, contact Roblox support directly with your proof of purchase. They can help resolve most redemption issues. Also, remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.